Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into the Snapplify Library using a group dashboard. This is a quick and easy way to access all the resources you need. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to your group's Snapplify Engage platform. The URL will be provided to you by the relevant Education Department official. On the login page, in the Search and Select a School field, you can type in your school name or you can click on the drop-down arrow to search for your school. Select your school and on the next login page, click on Sign In. Enter your username and password. Use credentials provided to you by the school or your group administrator. Click on the Sign In with Snapplify button to proceed. On the home page, look for a button labeled Library. Click on the button to open your Snapplify library. And that's it. You're now ready to log in and start using the Snapplify library via your group dashboard. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to your school administrator or the Snapplify support team.